Employees of the water department held a protest demonstration in the Jammu city against the higher authorities for showing indifference to address their long-pending issues. According to Kashmir Media Service, large number of the employees of the water department assembled in the office of the chief engineer of the city and started the protest demonstration. An Indian Central Reserve Police Force soldier committed suicide in Srinagar. According to Kashmir Media Service, the CRPF man committed suicide by shooting himself with his service rifle in the Hafiz Bagh area of the city. An unidentified body was found in the Islamabad district today. According to Kashmir Media Service, the body was found in the Kokarnag area of the district. Indian National Congress chapter in the occupied Kashmir has said that the BJP-led Indian government is denying the Kashmiri people their democratic rights to disempower them politically and economically. According to Kashmir Media Service, the Congress chapter working president Raman Bhalla was reacting to the current socio-political and security situation in the occupied Kashmir. All Parties Hurriyat Conference has said that the Kashmiri people have been facing unrelenting repression and political injustice at the hands of the New Delhi for the past 76 years. According to Kashmir Media Service, APHC spokesman Advocate Abdul Rashid Minhas, in a statement issued in Srinagar, said that the Kashmiri people have been waging unprecedented struggle for the right to self-determination. Indian troops launched a massive search operation in the Samba district. According to Kashmir Media Service, the troops of a para-unit of the Indian Army Special Operations Group and the police personnel conducted the operation in Khirdi and Sarna villages of the Nuj area of the district. High Court of Occupied Kashmir has quashed the detention orders under the Black Law, the Public Safety Act of the 4 innocent Kashmiris. Meanwhile, at least 16 students from the occupied Kashmir and pursuing higher education in colleges and universities across the India have tragically lost their lives to suicide since 2016. Indian troops arrested a youth during a cordon and search operation in the Kupwara district. According to Kashmir Media Service, the youth was arrested by the Indian troops in Khurhama area of the district. The troops claim to have recovered arms and ammunition from the youth to justify his arrest.